Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for this Friday, 19 November. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and you can see that right now market is trading at 1.1352. This is the current market price here. If you have watched my previous video on Euro USD, then most probably you have taken a short position right now, because I mentioned earlier that we have a Fibonacci retracement level at this particular point. So if you have already taken a sell position, then go on, carry on with your sell position. But if you are still looking for a fresh opportunity on Euro USD, then yes, still you can take a sell position on this particular price level. Just keep in mind your stop loss will be above this level. Okay, let me tell you the stop loss here. Your stop loss will be at 1.1390. okay, around 40 pips above. Sorry, I have removed the line. So this will be your stop loss. And one more trading opportunity that I see on the chart of Euro USD is if market breaks the flag here. You can see that I have made a bearish flag. If market breaks this line at the bottom, then also you can take a sell position here. This is the only trading opportunity that I see on the chart of Euro USD. First, shorting the market at the Fibonacci retracement level, and secondly, taking a sell position if market breaks the flag here. I do not want to go in detail because I have already explained the things again and again in my earlier videos. So if you want a detailed analysis on Euro USD, then please watch my videos, because I'll be coming down tomorrow again with the detailed and complete analysis of Euro USD for the coming week. So I do not want to bore you again and again. And most importantly, this is the chart of US dollar DXY. You can see, as per our expectation, market has taken support at the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So as market is taking a temporary support here, so one thing is very much clear to us, that yes, as per our expectation, again, this was just a correction and DXY is still very bullish. So be careful if you are taking a buy position on Euro USD, or if you have a buy position on Euro USD, because if we see dollar going up again, then obviously Euro USD will be facing selling pressure again. Okay, so be careful. And usually we do not see much volatility or movement on the Forex market. So let's see. Bye bye, take care. See you tomorrow with the detailed analysis for the coming week. And if you want to join the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Okay, I share the best trading opportunities in the market, plus I share 1 or 2 live signals. Okay, if you want to know more about it, all the information available on my website. Bye bye, take care.